A monopoly is when one company is the main maker for one or multiple products. The Sherman Antitrust Act must be passed so that the market will thrive. This act would affect companies, consumers, and customers alike, which is why it is crucial that this act is passed. If the Sherman Antitrust Act is not passed, then a company can become a monopoly, which will lead to lower quality products and price manipulation. According to Brandon Gale, who made an article on monopolies, he states that when a local monopoly is in place, there may not be an incentive to maintain the same levels of quality that may be required in larger scale economies. In other words, a company who has no competition would have no reason to make high quality products and for a smaller profit. This can affect smaller companies because that means they're out of a product to make, and it would affect customers because that means they have to buy that singular product from that one company. Some may believe that monopolies are a good thing, such as the undisclosed co-founder of a company, Peter Thiel. He defends monopolies by believing in a creative monopoly that is so good at what it does that no other firm can offer a close substitute. This statement, however, proves to further go against monopolies. As stated before, they could manipulate the prices of the products, lower the quality, and lower incentive for innovation. The creative monopoly, as Thiel says, has all the same problems as a regular monopoly has. The second reason why the Sherman Antitrust Act was made is so that companies don't dominate the market illegitimately, as in they made illegal business practices. One of those things is a trust. A trust is when one party gives a portion of their assets to another company to reduce time, to save time and paperwork. Unfortunately, another incentive to do this is because it will reduce their overall taxes or exempt them from taxes. The antitrust in the Antitrust Act is so that these businesses aren't allowed to make these trusts and exempt them from paying any sort of taxes. These companies being exempt from paying taxes would mean that America would not have these funds going to things such as the national debt, defense and security, and any other sorts of unaccountable expenses. In essence, the Sherman Antitrust Act must be passed in order to prevent monopolies and illegal business practices. Other small companies and customers depend on this act be passed in order for economic competition to thrive.